Welcome to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're diving deep into the magical world of manifestation. I tried everything, honey, believe me, I did. And then I stumbled upon the incredible power of manifestation. Get ready to learn how to attract anything you desire, from that dream job to a loving relationship, even that gorgeous house on the hill, just like you always wanted. So let's unlock that amazing power together, shall we? Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the one thing you desire most in this world. See it, feel it, and experience it as if it's already yours. What does it look like? Is it vibrant and full of life? What do you hear? Are there sounds of laughter, the gentle breeze whispering through trees, or maybe the sweet melody of success? Touch it. What does it feel like? Is it soft and comforting, strong and sturdy, or maybe exhilarating and full of energy? This, my dear, is the starting point of manifestation. The universe loves specifics. Paint a vivid picture in your mind's eye. This is your life, your canvas, and you are the artist. So go on, paint your masterpiece. Now, let's talk about emotions. They're the secret sauce, the magic ingredient that breathes life into your desires. Emotions are the fuel that propels your dreams into reality. Imagine that your desire has already manifested. Picture it vividly in your mind. You've got that dream job, that loving relationship, that beautiful home. Everything you've ever wanted is now yours. How do you feel? Are you overflowing with joy, gratitude, and excitement? Let these emotions fill every part of your being. Let those emotions wash over you right now. Feel them deeply and completely. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you step into your dream life. Imagine the light surrounding you, filling you with positivity. Hear the laughter of loved ones surrounding you, sharing in your joy. Their happiness amplifies your own. Embrace the feeling of accomplishment, knowing that you manifested this reality with the power of your own intention. Your hard work and belief have paid off. The universe responds to your vibrations, and when you're vibrating at a frequency of joy, gratitude, and love, you become a magnet for miracles. Your positive energy attracts more positivity. Paint your world with vibrant hues of happiness, and watch as the universe conspires to make your dreams a reality. Every stroke of joy you add to your life creates a masterpiece of fulfillment. Now, let's talk about the power of our words and how they can transform our lives. Words are more than just sounds. They are potent vibrations that shape our reality. Every word we speak carries energy and has the potential to influence our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Every morning when you wake up, look in the mirror and declare your worthiness. This simple act can set a positive tone for your entire day. Say it loud and proud. I am worthy of my desires. Feel the power in your words as you affirm your value and potential. I am deserving of abundance, love, and happiness. Embrace these affirmations and let them resonate within you. Repeat affirmations throughout the day, like everything I want is coming to me effortlessly, or I am a magnet for success and prosperity. Consistency is key. Write them down, stick them on your mirror, and let them be a constant reminder of your inherent power. Seeing these affirmations daily reinforces their message. When you repeatedly tell yourself these positive affirmations, your subconscious mind begins to believe them as truth. This shift in belief can lead to profound changes in your life. Speak your truth with conviction and watch as the universe orchestrates a symphony of abundance in your life. Your words have the power to create your reality, so choose them wisely and with intention. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the one that's been whispering doubts in your ear: fear. Fear is a natural human emotion, but it can also be a major roadblock on your manifestation journey. When doubts creep in, acknowledge them without judgment. It's okay to have moments of uncertainty, but don't let those doubts take root and grow into weeds that choke your dreams. Visualize those doubts as clouds passing by in the sky. Replace those doubts with affirmations. When you trust in the process, you create a clear channel for abundance to flow into your life. Believe it and watch as your dreams take flight. This last step is all about surrender. Surrendering to the wisdom of the universe, to the divine timing of your dreams unfolding. It's about letting go of the need to control every little detail and trusting that the universe has a plan far greater than you can imagine. Think of it like planting a seed. You carefully place it in the fertile soil, water it with love and intention, and then you trust that Mother Nature will do her work. You don't dig up the seed every day to check if it's growing. Instead, you nurture it, give it sunlight, and let it be. Manifestation works in much the same way. Once you've planted the seed of your desire through visualization, emotions, and affirmations, release it to the universe. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning circumstances and events to bring your dreams to life. Take inspired action when it feels aligned, and trust that the universe is conspiring to bring your dreams to fruition. The universe has your back, and your dreams are well on their way to becoming your reality. Embrace the journey and let go of the need to control every step. And there you have it, ladies. The 5 simple yet powerful steps to manifesting anything you desire. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and watch in amazement as your dreams blossom into reality. Now go out there and create magic. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the power of manifestation and empower each other to live our best lives.